Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can mute and unmute people on Instagram. And before you want to mute and unmute any people in Instagram, you need to be following that person. You cannot mute a person who you are not following. All right, so the person doesn't has to be following you, only you have to be following that person in order to mute and unmute that person. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So I want to mute Richie Kevin over here, so I'm going to click on his profile to go to his profile. Now once I'm in his profile, as you guys can see, I'm following him. Now what you want to do is click on the following button with the arrow at the side. Click on it and it's going to show you all this option, and from over here you want to click on resist mute. Once you click on mute, it's going to give you two options. Do you only want to mute his post, or do you only want to mute his story? Now if you want to mute both post and story, make sure to turn both of this on. So basically what muting does is, if I mute both his post and story, then whenever Richie Kevin uploads a post or uploads a story, I'm not gonna get any notification, and it's not gonna be shown on my Instagram story feed or my front page of my Instagram. To see if he has uploaded anything, I need to go to his Instagram personally and then only check. All right, otherwise it's not gonna be shown on my home screen over here, or on in front of over here. All right, so I'm just gonna reload the page, and as you guys can see, his name has been grayed out. So yeah, now let's say I want to unmute him again. What I can do is I can go on his profile picture, or I can go on my setting by clicking on my profile picture at the bottom and clicking on the three line at the top and going on versus setting. And then setting, I want to go on privacy, and on privacy over here you can scroll a bit down and you can see muted accounts. Click on it. All the account you have muted is going to be shown over here. So click on the account which you want to unmute, click on the following button, click on mute, and turn off the mute section which you want. So let's say I want to mute only his post, I can turn it off. If I want to unmute both his post and story, I'm going to turn both of this off, and both his post and story is going to be unmuted, which means I can see his story and his post again on my Instagram homepage over here. As you guys can see, it has been again highlighted over here, his story, Richie Kevin's story. So yeah, that's how you guys can mute and unmute somebody on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.